Hello guys, welcome to my second video. Today in this video I am going to share some tips and tricks about VS Code. As you all know that VS Code is a popular code editor by Microsoft. I am using these all shortcuts and tricks to code fast so that I could save my development time, and if you follow and practice these tricks you can also do fast coding. So make sure you watch this video until the end. If you are an Angular developer and using Visual Studio Code as your IDE for the development, then you might have used HTML Synapse in your HTML to speed up your development. There are various plugins available on Visual Studio Marketplace for the Synapse. You can go and check it there. These Synapses are really helpful and handy for the daily development work, especially when you want to write same kind of syntax on regular basis. You can define your own customized synapse. To define that, open your VS Code and go to Preferences, User Synapse and select html.json from the dropdown. Once file is open, you will see that there is a sample synapse called print to console. This sample synapse has its property called print to console. Prefix as a shortkey, we can have synapse body and we have synapse description here. Now let's define our first synapse called print to translate. We can define prefix as trans since it will be used for translate the string in our HTML. Then we can have the body of this synapse which contains translate string syntax. We can have the description of this synapse. Now let's go to HTML to use this synapse. When we type trans here, the synapse will be shown in the auto complete dropdown. You can see here how easy it is, and it saves our lot of time. Similarly, let's define our second synapse called curly braces and prefix shortkey as CB. In Angular development, you have to use these curly braces very often. So to easy your life, this synapse is quite useful. Now go to HTML and use it by typing CB. In my workspace, I have defined a lot of other synapses, for example, ng-if-else to handle if-else logic in our HTML, button with hidden attribute, form synapse like form input with form control name, form input with min and max length, print form values, form status to know form state whether it's valid or invalid, form awesome classes, etc. I have put the blog link of my post about this in the description of this video for your reference. Please check it. Now in this section of this video, I will let you know some very useful plugins for this VS Code. You might have already known about these, but if not, then here it is. First one is Angular 2 Switcher. This extension lets you easily navigate to HTML to TS. For example, any method in HTML, focus on the method or variable and press Ctrl plus click to preview the method and double click from the sidebar to navigate to that method in component.ts file. The second one in the list is Angular Language Service. This extension provides rich editing experience for Angular templates, both inline and external templates, including completion list, go-to definitions, quick info, etc. The last extension is VS Code Icons. This extension brings icons to your Visual Studio Code. Look at these list of icons for various file types. I hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video. See you until next video.